Hello, welcome to this OMNEST video tutorial. We will show you what packages are needed for running the simulator and go through with an installation right here in front of you. Don't forget that there is a detailed install guide available where you can find all this information and more. I will be using Ubuntu, but other distros are covered in the guide as well. You could install all necessary packages by issuing one long apt-get install command, but we will do it using the graphical user interface. Start the Synaptic Package Manager from the System Administration menu and install the following packages just as I'm doing. If the packages listed here require other packages themselves, the Package Manager will offer to install them. Just accept them if you see them offered. When you have added all packages listed, press Apply and wait for the computer to finish downloading and installing the packages. Okay, let's speed things up a bit. Now that you will have all the required packages installed, you can proceed by downloading the simulator and unpacking it. OMNeT++ can be downloaded from the community page omnetpp.org. If you're installing the enterprise version, you can download that from omnest.com. Once the download is complete, you can copy the zip file into its own directory or into your home directory and issue one simple command to unpack the whole thing. Once the extraction is ready, issue a .setend command from the directory where OMNeT was extracted and edit your .bashrc file to add the OMNeT directory to the path. Add this line to the end of the file. Be careful. The changes will only be applied once you restart the terminal application as well. Now start the configure script to get everything ready for compilation. After the configure script has finished, you will be prompted to add TCL to the path. If you add it to .bashrc like I do, you will not have to log out. Restarting the terminal application will be sufficient. Now if you run the configure script again, you will see that everything is set up perfectly. We can now make the simulator. Issue the make command. You can add mode = release to avoid compiling the debug files as well. When make is completed, you're basically ready to run. To install some shortcuts, you can issue the make install menu item and make install desktop icon commands. Installation is complete. You can type omnetpp to start the development environment or explore the demos. While this video was centered on installation using Ubuntu, installation on other variants such as Kubuntu, Xubuntu, Ubuntu and Linux Mint are very similar. The install guide contains detailed instructions for installation on Fedora, OpenSUSE and Red Hat systems, and these can be used to install the software on Knoppix derivatives, Mepis, Simplis, Eudora and other generic Unix systems. There's also a section on Mac OS.